Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys clicked onto this video, it means that you are interested in getting blonde hair, and I'm here to tell you the step from A to Z, the whole process from walking to the salon until walking out of the salon, how I felt about the result, and then the aftercare of my hair. If you guys are interested in all the educational information, feel free to keep on watching. Let's get started into this hair transformation. First of all, as I walked in, I got introduced to every single person in the salon. I got to meet all the beautiful stylists in the salon. This is my first time at Million Salon. They're located at Gateway Ikamai. The salon is on the first floor. I have never been to that mall before. It definitely has like a different vibe than other malls in Thailand, which I'm not going to get into because irrelevant information.
สวัสดีค่ะอันนี้พี่ดานะคะ
พี่ดาสวัสดีค่ะ
วันนี้ขอบคุณน้องไม้มากที่เข้ามาทำผมในร้านมิลเลียนซาลอนซึ่งพี่แอนก็แอบตามน้องไม้มานานมากแอบเขิน
And they asked me right away what I wanted to do. I told them that I wanted to get my roots touched up and also toned my whole head just so that the color blends in evenly, and I wanted a blondish, ashy blonde look. Showed them some pictures. These are the pictures that I showed them. They were like, yeah, totally, they can totally do it.
เปลี่ยนลุคให้น้องไม้เราจะทำเป็นเทคนิคสีและบาลยาสด้วยการตกแต่งป้องนี้ใหม่เพื่อให้ละมุนขึ้นแล้วก็ตรงนี้ไม่ให้ติดเหลืองส้มนะคะต้องการให้เป็นสี
ตอนนี้ไม่ได้มากเลย The color that's going to come out is going to be a bit of a beige blonde. Anna told me that this here, beige blonde, is the color that's going to be really, really trending, especially in Asia. I'm excited to see a lot of you guys and everyone rocking this hair color. I love like seeing other bleach hair Asians out in public because I feel like it takes a lot of guts to bleach your hair from like black or dark brown into this color that takes hours and hours and can be very, very expensive. So I definitely, it's always like, oh, we're twinning. Firstly, they started bleaching my hair. As you guys know, you bleach the middle part onto the ends first if your hair is like virgin hair, or if you want to bleach your whole head. As for me, they bleached the roots first, leaving the top part for a little bit, and then they went into the roots and did my roots. Then that sat for a bit, and usually for bleach, my hair gets really itchy and there's a lot of chemicals involved, so it gets kind of intense. I have been to hairstylists that literally gave my scalp like scars because they made my scalp bleed, my head was peeling, all that stuff, but this session of bleach was not itchy. My scalp wasn't stinging from the first session of bleach, which I was very appreciative. We are gonna wash now. While I wash my hair, they use Color Rich shampoo on me. They also use Color Rich conditioner on me as well, which are both purple shampoo-ish products, which will help my hair lift into a really nice ashy gray color. And they also went in with Olaplex because, as you guys can see in my previous before videos, my hair was so freaking dead. It's still dead, but it's okay. It's just the consequences that you will definitely have to live with if you get bleach hair, and you will have to take the extra step to really prioritize your hair and really marinate your hair in good treatments, ones that help your hair bond. As you guys know, Olaplex, it kind of like rejuvenates your hair back into the health that it was before, which can take a while, but it is a step that every stylist that I have talked to recommend. Fanola also has a really good treatment product. It is the purple white one. I'll show. Hi Millie. I got the big bottle. I really like these two products. I hope that those products really help you guys because they helped my hair immensely. They also fed me noodles, which you guys know, your girl loves food. I love all foods, especially the spicy ones. So I was very thankful that I got to eat while having like a 6-hour session of hair. It's always important to fill your stomach with something hearty, so I'm glad I got some carbs in, got some soup in, and I also got some, crispy wonton, which you can never go wrong with crispy wonton. Just washed the hair and we put in Olaplex. I'm in like the back in the VIP room right now. Everyone's really nice here. Like, they also got me food, and you guys know how I feel about like food. What is this? Like, we're having Tom Smith today, and basically Tom Smith is like a bougie noodle shop for like Thai noodles, but they use like Wagyu Kobe beef. But I just ordered the basic one because I don't want them to splurge on me too much. I feel really bad. So now we're in the back and we're gonna eat while my Olaplex is marinating into my hair. I honestly feel like a turkey right now because they like wrapped me up. They washed my hair out and I got sat back into my salon chair, and then they went on with the toning. I forgot to mention that all of the products that they use to color my hair are from Schwarzkopf, a German brand. I definitely feel like I have a lot of experience with multiple bleaching products, and I really like Schwarzkopf. I have a soft spot for it because I lived in Germany, so any German product I'm really happy about. Fanola is from Italy, and they're also really good, and Color Rich is also a formula from Italy as well. I don't know why, but like all these hair products are from Europe. I don't know what is being grown in Europe that really helps the hair. And then the toning afterwards turned my hair into an even more gray and darker color. And usually when I go to hairstylists to get any blonde treatments, they always recommend that I go a little bit ashy, grayish, darker first so that my hair can fade into a lighter blonde. And as you guys can see from the first wash, my hair is already turning more blonde than before. It's getting lifted into a really nice color of ashy blonde, which I really like. It's definitely a tip that I want to recommend to you guys because I have always done this, and sometimes it kind of sucks because I want my hair to be lighter, but I know that I just have to wait like 1 or 2 or 3 washes and then it turns into the color that I want. That's why I want to show you guys the color right now after it is done. That's why I want to show you guys the color right now after the first wash so you guys can see the difference and will not get discouraged if your hair doesn't turn into the color that you specifically want from the very beginning. Then I got my hair dried and styled, and she wanted to go with a little more curl and volume, which as you guys know I don't usually do volume. My head looks like a mushroom when I curl my hair. As I styled my hair, I found myself very obsessed with the color already after I kind of like took into account that my hair is not going to be as light as I want it to be initially. As you can see, my hair is washed and I didn't style at all. This is my hair without straightening it, and this is just how my hair looks right out of the shower. I wanted to show you guys the health of my hair right after I got it done. And this is a birthday transformation that was much needed. I feel like a whole new person now, and I always say that when I get my hair done because I feel like hair is like my security blanket. Everyone probably feels this way about hair as well, and I'm so glad that I met such a nice team that was so welcoming, so loving, and understood exactly what I want. I have met hairstylists that will just like, oh yeah, you can come and like do your hair with us, and then like gave me like something I totally didn't want but had like a shock factor to it just to get content out of my hair. That was when my hair was so dead and I had like bloody spots everywhere and I had scars. So I'm very appreciative that they worked on my hair for quite some time to get this color without the expense of the health of my hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful in some ways or another. I still want to give you guys a little bit of information on how I got from this to this, because I definitely am someone that looks online to see the before and after before I make a commitment on doing something that changes my look. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope that all the tips and tricks help you guys in the future. If you guys are thinking of bleaching your hair, I say do it, because when else are you gonna bleach your hair? When else are you gonna have time to take care of your hair as much as you do now? Why not now, you know? Why not now? Why not now? Thank you for hanging out with me. Say bye! 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 Millie, look at the camera. Good girl. Bye. She looked at the camera. So smart. I will see you guys next week.